Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Ubisoft Connect not opening on your Windows. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu, click over here and look for Ubisoft. Right click, open file location, and then make sure to select Ubisoft Connect, right click, open file location. And make sure to select the application or the exe file. Just right click and go to properties. This time we need to select compatibility section and enable this. Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as the admin. Then click on apply, okay, and then you can close this. Once done, on the same folder, I want you to click over here, copy the file path destination, okay? Control C on your keyboard. Then you can minimize this for the time being. You need to go and look up your virus and threat protection. So look it up, left click, scroll down. We need to go to the settings over here, virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings, scroll down. Over here, exclusions, select add or remove, then add an exclusion, click on file. Then basically we just need to click over here and paste the path file that we just copied earlier. Then click on or hit enter. Okay. Look for Ubisoft Connect. So this one, make sure you're selecting the correct file and then hit enter on your keyboard. It will now show up over here. And pretty much that's everything. And you should now be able to launch your Ubisoft without any issues at all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.